everything. Hey queens, and shout out to my kings too. Welcome and welcome back to the Villa Rain. All right, let me get in the car. Whew, thanks, baby. Okay.
Hello? Oh, okay, got it. Okay, sounds good. Okay. All right, thank you so much. All right.
Alhamdulillah. That was Nobu, y'all. So, welcome to our anniversary vlog. So if you didn't see the last vlog, we are in Los Cabos, Mexico, and we're currently in San Jose, and then we'll be going all over today. So the itinerary for our anniversary today. All right, so as I was saying, the itinerary for today is we're gonna go to we're gonna go to Walmart now to go to the ATM and to get some bottled water, and then we're gonna head over to Viceroy for a massage, like a spa day. For our honeymoon last year, we went to the Ritz for like a massage, and I feel like just having that luxury experience at least once a year, a nice massage, is like really awesome, and we want to like kind of like continue that and do that every year. So we decided to go to Viceroy, a beautiful resort here, and then after that we're going to stay on the luxury train. You have to curate experiences for yourself that you want for yourself in the future. So like starting off small by doing this like on like one day out of the year, I feel like it's like, you know, training ourselves to, you know, expect that luxurious lifestyle, and that's who don't want to live like that. So anyway, so then later on tonight we're going to be going to Nobu for dinner. We already know that the food portions there are petite, so we probably get food after. It's kind of just like to get the experience, to taste the food. I'm sure it'll still be good. I'm really excited to take y'all along with me today, so let's get this day started. Thank you. Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Hola. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all, so we're at Viceroy. We're waiting for the staff to come pick us up. But y'all, everything is so beautiful here. Like, look, take a look. It's so pretty. Like, what? Right next to the ocean. The scenery is just so nice. So I will catch y'all at the spa. I'm at Viceroy. I'm inside of the like spa, I guess locker room. Y'all, like once you experience stuff like this, you can't go back, you know. So I recommend y'all all like save up and like spend some time in a nice place and treat yourself. Like, you deserve it, okay? You deserve it. So let me give you a little outfit of the day. I don't know where the scarf from. I think I got it from Mali. These earrings are from Target. And then my beautiful two-piece set. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but you can see the top. So my two-piece set is from a company called Miss FM. So freaking beautiful. I'm about to get ready, get my robe on and everything, and then I'll talk to y'all later. This is everything. Yeah, with the love of my life. Babe is in his element, man. This is awesome. Like, we on some hot beds. It feels amazing. We're just waiting to get started, but everything. Hey y'all, so let's do a quick OOTD. So here is a full look at my outfit. Here is the two-piece set from Miss FM. And then my bag is from Amazon. I will link it down below. There's a plane going by, so sorry. And then this hat is from, hold on, let's just wait. Okay, so we back. So my hat is from St. Thomas. My scarf is from Mali, a shop, random shops. And then my sunglasses are from Target. And yeah, I think that's the whole outfit. My shoes are from TJ Maxx. Hey y'all, so what's that Viceroy about to head out? But I just wanted to tell y'all about the spa experience. It's just like everything here is just amazing. The people, the food, like the experiences, it's all A1. Alhamdulillah, we're so happy, humble, grateful that we can even do this. Like, we've been waiting for months to be able to come, and we're very, very excited. But the whole experience was lovely. After the massages, we went into like the sauna and the steam room, the jacuzzi, all A1. Literally.
Magnifique.
Why are you so extra? Literally always extra. I can't. So we got this sunscreen from Native, and it is a sunscreen with zinc oxide, and it's a mineral sunscreen. I just put it on and it just disappeared, like just like that. So I'm gonna show y'all. Come closer. Alright, so this is the sunscreen. Shout out to Native. My husband just got their deodorant and he likes it too. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit on. Okay, and then let's go ahead and blend her in. I just put a whole lot, so it might take a little longer now, but so it starts off like purple, like how a normal zinc oxide sunscreen would, and then look, it literally just disappeared. It's like lotion, and it smells so good. I got the coconut pineapple one. We're literally about to put this on. We want a mineral sunscreen like without like all like the chemicals and stuff. Alright, so here is the dress. Beautiful bell sleeves. It's so slippery. I'm not gonna say. We just have to take pictures of it. Okay, y'all, so we just got ready. So we're on our way to Nobu. Hi, honey.
Hello.
So I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. I'll probably pop it up right here so it's easier for y'all to see, because I just took a little video, but it's probably gonna be dark when we get there, so I wanted to take it now, but we're gonna get there soon. I'm about to put on some lipstick, so stay tuned. Look at our cute little car. I love this little car. Oh my gosh. It's so easy to get around in. But you can kind of see, this is my dress, y'all. Thank you, honey.
Thank you.
All right. Whew. Get in here. You good? All right. Thank you. We got our water and our like
Can you reach it?
dates. Yeah, I can reach it right there. Our dates, some cookies and stuff to break our fast, because we're gonna break our fast on the road. So yeah, but y'all see this struggle of a situation that I got going on with my scarf. I forgot to bring pens, so I'm like struggling. Okay, so let's see which is which. Oh, this is perfect. I actually was gonna put on my Merit lipstick, right? So Merit sent me over 2 of their lipsticks. This is like a sheer kind of lipstick. They're super, super cute. So I have the color Tiger, and then I have the color Cabo, which is like a reddish type of color. So I'm gonna put that one on. This is the color. How freaking pretty. Alright, I will see y'all a little bit later. I feel like I say that all the time. Okay, bye. So secluded. Like, we had to drive an hour almost from where we were, which was in San Jose, and we just got checked in at the gate and we still have 8 more minutes to drive to get to the restaurant. Like, it's like literally in the middle of nowhere. All right, y'all, we finally made it. So far, but so beautiful, y'all. Look at this. Mashallah. Alright, y'all, so we got the Santa Maria drinks, and then we got some edamame and some mushroom soup. So here's Babe. Alright, Babe is ready to eat. Bye, y'all. So we got the rock tempura shrimp with a side of rice, and Babe got the same thing. We literally just eat the same thing all the time.
The reason why I got the rock shrimp tempura, because unfortunately the orange
teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, the teriyaki chicken that they had, like, yeah, with alcohol.
And alcohol is cooked, but you know, we fasting, it's Ramadan, so we just want to stay away from it altogether. So yeah, we both just end up getting the same thing. So we're about to chow down on this. It looks so good. Yeah, babe, what you thought they was gonna forget?
You want to mix shirt, babe?
Dessert number 2. I can't get it up. Nah. How is it?
Good.
It is really good, y'all. This is the, what's it called again? Paris Barat?
No, Paris beef.
Oh, Paris something with a B. It has cinnamon and honey and orange vanilla ice cream. So good, y'all. Mm. 10 out of 10. 100% recommend. I got this from Walmart and we got some goggles, so hopefully it's the right way. I like an alien. Just a croissant, some fruit and chips.
It's something.
I literally was just walking in water and then go to sleep. Well, right in and sleep.
I'll put your thoughts on 526.
Actions are built by intention, and every man shall have but that which he intended. Thus, he whose migration was for Allah and his messenger, his migration was for Allah and his messenger. And he whose migration was to achieve some worldly benefits or to take some woman in marriage, his migration was for that for which he migrated.
Also, the audio behind me, I love you, peace upon you. One day while we were sitting in the step of Allah.
Take a little piece.
That is so cool.
Any seagulls?
Okay. Wow. Everybody is bigger here. Wave at the arch, say cheese. Aw. Look at the pelicans. They just looking at us like, why are you here? Quick OOTD. These sunglasses are from Target. Scarf is from Veil Collection. Face is basically Merit Beauty and Fenty Beauty. This shirt is from Pretty Little Thing. These jeans are from Nasty Gal. And it has like this thing. I'm about to put on my shoes. They don't really match, but that's okay. Because the rest of my shoes are away, so. Yeah, this is my quick outfit of the day. So we just finished up our COVID test. It was so fast, so easy. It was $35 each, or was it 700 pesos? So it wasn't too bad. So we're walking back to the car. We're about to drop off the rental car and have him drop us off to our hotel. So we're gonna stay in a hotel or like a resort for our last night. So I will give y'all a tour once we get there. just did the ATVs and the camel rides. Camel rides, amazing, lit, nice and soothing, oceans in the background. ATV, not my wave. But my husband had a lot of fun, but I don't think I would do it again. I was on the back of his. They wouldn't allow us to bring our phones or anything, just for safety reasons, I guess, and they want you to buy their pictures, so. Yeah, I just wasn't a fan, but the scenery was beautiful. Like, we're at like the little restaurant area. We're fasting, so we can't eat right now, but you know, we're just here until it's time to go. We're ready to go back to the resort and then try out the restaurants that it is. Hey y'all, so it's our last day. We're at Crystal. This is like the view from our balcony. We can see the ocean, so beautiful. But yeah, it's our last day today. We're gonna check out and then head to the airport really soon. Our flight is at 5. It's currently like 11. It's been amazing. Like, we've had a great time. Cabo. If y'all want a nice vacation, a nice tropical vacation, Cabo is amazing. The people are amazing. They're so sweet, like so kind. And then just like the scenery, the views. There's a few, like a lot of activities and things to do as well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up. So subscribe. There will be more content regarding lifestyle, fashion, beauty. And I also do small business content as well. If you're into that, subscribe down below. And I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.